Hello everyone, I am Ramakaran Setti. I'm a marketing manager at Intel's Internet of Things group, responsible for Intel Movidius based Edge AI Accelerator cards product line. At Intel, we call them Intel Vision Accelerator Design cards. Today, I'm going to spend some time to primarily discuss edge inference scaling with Intel Vision Accelerator Design cards. Before we step into the content, please take a quick look at Intel's disclaimer page for a few seconds and refer to it as needed later. In today's talk, we will walk through Intel's reach into AI devices at the edge, in particular, how we started with it and where we are headed. I will then discuss key industries, applications in these industries, and commonly found use cases for each of these applications. I will follow that up with an introduction to Intel Vision Accelerator Design cards, or as we call them, IVAD cards. Why and how they add value compared to an existing plethora of compute options, provide details on who makes these cards, the different form factors they are offered in, and the common software framework that works across all these cards. I will then delve into two partner application use cases, walk through the details of the challenges they faced and the solutions they created with Intel Vision design cards, showcasing the scalability, flexibility provided in the limited power envelope of these applications. We will then conclude with the current IVAD product positioning and information on where more details can be found.